I'm not sure how many people are using Cocos 2d-x for cross-platform mobile games these days, but I have an old project on it that I recently had to update. A few things need tweaking with new Xcode versions to get things popping. In this video, I'll go over creating a new C++ project with Cocos 2d-x in 2025. There are a few things that need to be installed before starting. The first is Python 2. You can download the latest version for python.org. Make sure you get Python 2 and not Python 3. 2.7.18 is good. After running through the installer, check if Python is ready using command python -- version in the terminal. Next up is Cmake. The easiest way to install this one is through the package manager Homebrew. If you don't already have it, download it from brew.sh. Then use command brew install cmake in the terminal. To check if it's ready, use command cmake -- version. Once you have Python and Cmake ready to go, head over to cocos.com. Select Cocos 2d-x from the product menu, then scroll down to the bottom to find the Download Now button. The latest version 4.0 was released back in 2019, and this is the one we'll use. Download and extract that beast. Navigate to the Cocos folder in the terminal. We need to run two commands from within this folder. First, python setup.py to add some environment variables. Press enter to skip the Android pieces for now. And then Cocos new, followed by your game name to create the game. The -L flag lets you specify a language. There are other supported ones, but we are rolling with C++ for this tutorial. This command creates a folder with the name of your game inside the Cocos folder. Before moving on, move that folder to a good location on your computer. The next step will save the path to some places and make it a bit hard to change. I usually put my projects in a developer folder, which macOS creates a nice hammer icon for. Next up is creating the Xcode project file. We want this to go in the game folder under Project iOS Mac, iOS. An easy way to get there in the terminal is to type cd space and then drag the folder in. The command to create the project file uses cmake with a few flags. Copy this from the description. After running it, you should see the project file. Double-click to open it in Xcode. Make sure the game target and an attached device are showing up top. Choose a development team from signing in capabilities and try to run it. In older Xcode versions, this would just work, but there are errors now due to some compiler changes. The first one with iconv can be solved by adding icon_t in parentheses in two places in CC Font Atlas. If we run again, it complains about some missing functions. Add the functional include to the top of the audio cache header file. The next one is a bit more cryptic. There are two libraries added to other linker flags and build settings that are causing an issue. libz and libconv. Remove these from all four configurations. Then add them to build phases, link binary with libraries instead. Finally, bump the minimum iOS version to something more current. Anything 9+ seems to still work here, but I'm going to go with 15. Now it should build successfully on device. The project will have issues with simulators due to architecture, but one way to get around this quickly is to use Rosetta. Select Product, destination, show all run destinations. Then choose a Rosetta simulator from the drop-down.